Come take a look of Odyssey of the Seas with us for a cruise in the Mediterranean. So check-in process does not take that long. They take your luggage for you and bring it in the cruise ship, leaving it by your door or by the hallway. So first you go through this ramp, and as you enter, you're welcomed with the most amazing staff. So you will see some music, dancing, and a ton of beautiful art. So here is a view of the beautiful Civitavecchia where we embarked for this cruise ship. This was around June. I believe we went to 270, serving you 270 degrees of views and the most advanced technology I've ever seen for entertainment. We'll show you more on the next few videos, so stay tuned for that. This looks like the Studio B of, I believe, Symphony of the Seas. Next is a Cplex, a multi-use center that offers bumper cars, virtual reality games, basketball, and many more. A lot of arcade games. I think kids love it here.
Here's the Zone Zero one.
Then we're walking through the deck area here. You can see there are a lot of colorful cabanas that you can rent out, tons of free loungers all around the deck area. You can also see the North Star from here. That's the arm viewing that you can see in Odyssey of the Seas. The running track, if you do 3 laps here, I believe that equals to 1 mile, if I'm not mistaken, if that's something that you'd like to use. We're just going around the cruise ship here. You can see the nice views, the mirrored glass. And so now, next we're heading to one of our favorite places in any Royal Caribbean cruise line. We've gone through some at least. This is the solarium. This area is considered as an adult-only pool area. The the whirlpools are one of the best in here.
We really like the solarium, so we wanted to check out.
The solarium here is actually nice too.
Now as we went around and exited to the other side, Sprinkles is where you will get your unlimited soft serve ice cream. You cannot not get one on your first day on the ship. A must have every 5 minutes. I'm just kidding. So we got our vanilla soft serve ice cream here, just eating that all the way around as we walk the cruise ship. Usually if you check in early, your cabins and maybe your luggages may not be ready yet, but so here we are. When it's available, make sure you know which deck you are on and which side of the ship is your cabin is at. This may save you time walking around through long hallways, and always find the closest entrance or exit to your cabin. So we got a queen size bed, there's also a sofa bed, and what we've got is an oceanside balcony. So the doors sometimes are finicky, but they are airtight, so you gotta pull them. And there you are with the view of Civitavecchia again. So passing by the casino so we can show you, you basically have everything here, as you can see. So you have this virtual wall of flowers on your way to the main dining as well. A lot of art everywhere. Elevator tiles also change following by the respective days that you are on the ship. And as our love and hate relationship continues with this restaurant, we find ourselves in Windjammer every single time on our first day. So this is Windjammer. This is the ship's casual buffet style venue that offers an array of delicious food. So many different types of food, desserts, meals, pastas, everything. You have everything there every meal and during snack times also.
You should do this. Oh, actually, sige, yan na lang po. Thank you. Kamusta po? Onti pa po yan. Yeah, okay. Nung lang ako makamatagal ako sa TV.
You're getting white sauce?
Yeah.
Wow.
White sauce po? Oh, white sauce po, kuya. No, hindi na... I see the... Do you want ice cream? No, ice cream, what? What ice cream? Special ice cream, ha? Tsaka cheese din po, kuya. Thank you.
Wow. What did you say about Windjammer, hun?
We weren't gonna go here.
I don't think you choose Windjammer. Windjammer chooses you. Yep.
My dad used to work for Mars. We were so filled, we went back to our cabin and just chilled there for a bit. That's basically how it went through. And we did a little bit of unpacking since we're here for a couple days, and we just went to try to catch, maybe sunset as we sailed. And here's a little walkthrough of the Solarium Bistro. I think this was the Solarium, if I remember it correctly.
Oh, and look.
A really nice room.
That looks good. Crispy calamari, mushrooms. I'll take that one, that one. What?
And this is a clear glass elevator, which is pretty cool. You can see bottom. And trying to look for people that we may know. Some friends, maybe. And so we went back to 270. We went around and you'll get some really great views of the ocean behind the ship as you sail, so you can see the nice blue waters of the ocean. I was mesmerized by it. And upstairs of 270, they have a boardroom and a library, again filled with great views. Got tons of couches in there, tons of places to just chill. And they also do events like in these boardrooms or the library. You can watch some entertainment in 270. They'll have those listed out for you.
You can hold meeting in here.
We were actually able to use this area and gather some of our fellow cruisers, our friends over here throughout the few days that we were in Odyssey of the Seas. So it's a pretty nice, neat area. Very quiet if you'd like reading too. They've got books over there.
Places where if you just want peace and quiet. Just go back.
So Sorrento's for your unlimited pizza. Then you've got your gym. And you've got Vitality Spa, also your wellness center in there. So we're still not done. Now we went around, still went to, here we are, deck 15. So this is where you can find some of your outdoor activities, like the sky pad, trampoline, flow rider, and other stuff. Very windy though, you can hear it. You also have the skydiving simulator. We thought there was an exit, but no, so you'll see it. We had to go around.
I think it's on the other side.
This one we haven't got, right?
Well, this is where the sky pad is.
Have we gone here?
No, we haven't gotten this far. No. like skydiving simulator. I hope so.
No, there's no way here.
There's no way here. Oh no, I have to go out.
This time we decided to switch our dinner plans. So usually it's main dining, but we wanted to try the Solarium Bistro, which you saw earlier. Very quiet. Usually you'd have to book ahead of time, but they were very nice enough to seat us and serve us dinner. Very delicious food, and also got cappuccino since I was offered, and why not? It's Italy. Gathered with amazing individuals, leaders, and mentors to end the night with some good laughs and learning. So this is it for that day. And check out this balcony view for the next morning that we had that time. See you in the next video.